Imagine driving a car for years, 200,000 miles, maybe even 1,000,000 miles, and it just keeps going. Sounds unreal, right? But some cars have done just that. And in today's video, we're talking about the 13 cars that simply never break down. These aren't just tough machines. They've proven themselves in real-world conditions, from daily commutes to rough terrains. Owners, mechanics, and experts agree. These vehicles are in it for the long haul. From practical family haulers to adventure-ready SUVs, they've earned reputations for reliability, durability, and longevity. Stick with us, because some of these picks might surprise you. Number 13. Honda Odyssey. We kick things off with the ever-popular Honda Odyssey. Since it debuted in 1994, it's been a staple for families thanks to its space, comfort, and longevity. The 2022 model scored 81/100 for reliability from J.D. Power, and many owners report crossing the 300,000-mile mark. Maintenance costs stay low, resale value remains high, and safety ratings are excellent, especially for model years 2017-2021. The Odyssey also features practical touches like magic slide seats and a built-in vacuum in older trims, making it both family-friendly and service-friendly. If you want a solid, roomy van built to go the distance, the Odyssey is a smart bet. Number 12. Mazda Miata. Looking for fun and longevity in one package? The Mazda Miata delivers both. This lightweight sports car has been on the road since 1989, earning love for its simplicity and mechanical reliability. The NC generation stands out as especially well built, featuring a 2.0L engine that's easy to maintain. With minimal repair costs, about $429 annually, and a 4 to 5 rating from Repair Pal, Miatas often reach 200,000 miles and beyond with basic care. Because it lacks complex electronics and heavy features, issues are rare and easy to fix. If you want a car that handles well and won't let you down, this one's a keeper. Number 11. Subaru Legacy. Often overlooked, the Subaru Legacy is an all-wheel drive sedan that handles great and performs in all weather. The fourth generation, 2005-2009 models, especially 2006 and 2007, are praised for reliability and handling. With flat-six engines offering solid power, these models balance performance with longevity. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive also adds confidence in rain or snow. Later models with CVT had more issues, but 2016 and 2017 saw quality return. Cabin materials improved too, making it a better place to spend long miles. If you need year-round dependability, the Legacy is a solid contender. Number 10. Mazda Stis. Mazda's midsize sedan brings sharp handling and long-term durability. Powered by a 2.5L engine, it's efficient, up to 35 mpg highway, and offers a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. The available turbo adds more power without sacrificing reliability. Suspension systems and G-vectoring control help preserve tires and handling, while interior quality gives it a premium feel for less. With a high-strength steel frame and driver assist safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control, the Mazda 6 is both strong and safe. Some owners have pushed it to over 600,000 miles, especially with regular oil changes and cooling system maintenance. Number 9. Ford F-150. This American classic has earned its spot on the list. From job sites to family use, the F-150 proves it can last. The 2011-2012 models introduced EcoBoost engines, blending strength with efficiency. In the 2018-2019 models, aluminum body panels help resist rust and cut down on weight. Engines like the 3.0L EcoBoost V6 are known for durability, offering both towing power and long-term dependability. With proper maintenance, including transmission fluid changes and regular brake checks, these trucks often cross 300,000 miles or more. Whether for work or recreation, the F-150 has proven it's more than just a pickup. It's a lifer. Number 8. Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban is a full-size SUV with serious staying power, offering up to 144.7 cubic feet of cargo space and engine options like the 3.8L diesel and 6.0 V8. It's both versatile and powerful. The diesel version leads in fuel economy, 27 mpg highway, and the last year of each generation tends to offer the most refined experience. Owners value it for its towing capabilities, rear-wheel or four-wheel drive options, and roomy third-row seating. These SUVs are popular in large families, police fleets, and even government agencies because they just don't quit. The 2021, 2024 versions score well in reliability and are packed with family-friendly tech and safety. Number 7. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W1 built between 1984 and 1995. The W124 E-Class is legendary. These cars were over-engineered to the point of near indestructibility. Diesel models are especially known for surpassing 500,000 miles. Its mechanical fuel injection, solid body structure, and bulletproof transmission make it an old-school gem. The high-performance 500e, co-developed with Porsche, adds to the legacy, but even base models offer exceptional value and reliability. Many of these are still on the road today, thanks to their simple mechanics and durable materials. If you want a classic Mercedes that's built to outlast most cars on the road, the W124 is a standout. Number 6. Toyota Camry. The Camry's reputation for longevity isn't hype, it's fact. Whether you choose the 2.5L four-cylinder or the more powerful 3.5L V6, you're getting engines that are built to last. Smooth front-wheel drive, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and outstanding fuel economy. Up to 39 mpg highway make it ideal for long commutes. Toyota Safety Sense adds features like lane assist and collision avoidance. Camrys also have low insurance and repair costs, which adds to their long-term appeal. Properly maintained, a Camry can clock over 600,000 miles with ease, making it one of the most reliable sedans ever made. Number 5. Honda Accord. Stylish, practical, and reliable, the Accord covers all the bases. Owners frequently report mileages over 300,000 with no major issues. It's fuel-efficient, roomy, and comes with strong engines that are easy to maintain. The 1.5L turbo and 2.0L naturally aspirated engines offer solid options for both power and economy. Honda's attention to suspension tuning also gives the Accord a sportier feel than most midsize sedans. Whether you're using it for work or travel, the Accord's reputation for lasting performance makes it one of the best used buys out there. Number 4. Toyota 4Runner. This body-on-frame SUV is built for the trail and the long haul. With many examples going past 300,000 miles, the 4Runner proves its ruggedness. Under the hood, Toyota's bulletproof 22R or 4.0L V6 engines keep things simple and durable. The 4Runner's off-road capability includes features like a locking rear differential, hill descent control, and high ground clearance. Interior durability also shines with washable materials and easy-to-replace parts. Off-road ability, interior space, and resale value make it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts. If adventure and dependability matter to you, the 4Runner is a clear winner. Number 3. Toyota Land Cruiser. A global icon, the Land Cruiser is built to survive the harshest environments. With more than 10 million units sold and many lasting over 500,000 miles, it's one of the toughest vehicles ever made. From deserts to jungles, these SUVs are trusted everywhere from NGOs to explorers. Though maintenance can run around $800 a year, its reliability rating and durability more than make up for the cost. Whether you're on dirt roads or city streets, the Land Cruiser brings strength, comfort, and value. Its V8 engine and full-time 4WD system are built for abuse, yet still feel refined on the highway. Number 2. Toyota Sequoia. For families that need space and strength, the Sequoia delivers. Since 2000, it's been one of Toyota's most dependable large SUVs. Models from 2009 onward are smoother and more refined with improved suspension and more tech features. Maintenance costs are moderate, around $6 to $42 a year, and only a small percentage of repairs are serious. With a massive interior, powerful V8 engine, and robust chassis, the Sequoia handles towing, road trips, and daily driving with ease. The Sequoia offers loads of space and can go hundreds of thousands of miles with ease. Number 1. Lexus LS400. Topping the list is the legendary Lexus LS400. Automotive journalist Matt Farah famously took his to 1,000,000 miles, and it kept going. This V8-powered luxury sedan, first launched in 1989, redefined what dependable luxury could be. It combined Japanese reliability with European refinement, setting a new standard for the luxury market. With simple maintenance and few failures, the LS400 continues to impress decades later. It's common to see these cars still on the road today with original engines and transmissions. It's proof that comfort, class, and extreme durability can all exist in one car. And that wraps up our list of 13 cars that simply never break down. Don't forget to subscribe for more reliable car insights. Click the link below to check out the cars you shouldn't buy. Some won't even last 40,000 miles.